Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to view screen time on your phone. So guys, first thing that you will do is go to your Play Store or App Store and guys search for Stay Free. So guys, there are a lot of applications that are similar to this, but guys, Stay Free is the best application to record your time in each application. So guys, just go ahead and download it and then go ahead and open the app. So guys, this app will offer you how many minutes you have stayed in a certain app. As you can see here, we have multiple application. You can just go to Spotify, and as you can see here, my total usage is 2 minutes average, and my total usage for today is 41 seconds. And guys, as you can see, you will see here some statistical data on how many time you have spent on a certain app. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.